Hello. Well, thank you for the interest. So, as I've mentioned, we do a lot of automotive. I've worked in the automotive industry for a long time. Here's the samples, like you mentioned. So, designs we can easily change. For example, the pictures are, we can change the color. We can change if you have some color theme, is not a problem. Let me show you quickly this example here. So, as you can see here, so this is how your website will look like. On the home page, you will have maybe a picture of a car at least, and there will be like links on top. The most important thing is your customers will be able to select. I don't know if my screen recorder is seeing the is showing the drop down, but they can select these options from this drop down, and basically they can select the window. Then they can select the year. I again, since I don't know if it is showing, it can select from 2022 all the way till, actually we have data till 1949, but it can do anything 2015, 2019. Okay, all those options are there. And then based on that, they can select, okay, it's Acura or BMW or all the car models that we have. Honda, Cadillac, okay, Tesla, and whatever car models, Toyota, right? So I'll just take Toyota for example, and then in Toyota we have Forerunner. We have like so many models here, right? Prius C, Camry, Hilux, Avalon. So there are all these models are there, right? And then they can select, okay, it's a four-door utility or what. So you got this information. Next they will put their name in there. So here they will put like my name, whatever the customer's name is, and then they will put the email address, like something like abc at hotmail. You'll get the email address, and then their phone number, like 703-662-4952, which is my number, right? And then they could say, hi, I am in Maryland, for example, in Beltsville, whatever. They could just type whatever they need to, so that you get the message, right? Please come to my house, blah blah blah, urgent, whatever. They can type whatever they want, and then next they can select the option for repair at shop, which your shop address will be given on the website, or repair at home. If they say repair at home for mobile service, we can disable this. So if you don't provide mobile service, we can remove this option and just keep repair at shop. Or if you do only mobile service, we can remove repair at shop, and so we can customize that. And then they will put their address, something 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 lane, lane or avenue, right? College Park, something like that. Okay. And then they can put the date and time. They can select at what time the appointment they want to have, like 14th of December to 30 p.m., something like that. Okay, so and then when they submit it, then you will get it in your Gmail or your email that we sign you up with. You will get all this information in the email, and you can process or like you can call them immediately, say, hey, we got your request. Okay, we have this thing. You can give them the price, and then you can fix the deal, and you can go to their address, or you can confirm that they can come to your shop, and the deal is done. Okay, so it will be submitted, and this email will go. So this is the demo. So obviously, the message cannot be sent, but also we will have your what do you call, your Google Maps address here, and we can like change this to exactly like zoom in totally. We can set how much distance you want from the zoom, right? If you want really the intersection, we can do intersection, we can do satellite, or we can do map like this, and all your information will be here. Phone number on the top, they can call you on the top, and all these other things like services, like they can click around and do it. We can put some reviews of your work in the thing, and that's it. So that's pretty simple for the basic website. So this is there. And then on top of that, if you want to add anything more, everything is possible. We are a technology company, so we can do this. One more thing is that we do with Autoglass company and other companies. If you are a bigger company, then we will register your domain, and we can also register two or three different domains. And do it so that you can cover more area. So, for example, if you are in Maryland and you want to business from Baltimore, and you want a business from Washington D.C., and you want the business from Laurel, Maryland, or something like that, we can do something like Autoglass repair Laurel dot com, Autoglass repair Baltimore.com, if it is not already taken, right? Autoglass repair Washington DC.com, or windshield repair or something like that, so that you can get maybe more over time. Like maybe in the first year, you don't see so much impact, but what we have seen is that if you keep the website live and the business is registered and you have some address and stuff like that, then slowly you will get like one from here, one from there, maybe called, because somebody will Google in Baltimore. They basically Google Autoglass repair Baltimore if they're in Baltimore, or if they're in Laurel, they'll say Autoglass repair Laurel, or Washington D.C. So they're local. So if your website name has got that name, and on the website here, like on the top, we will put here Washington D.C. Whatever the area is. If you're in North Carolina, Florida, wherever, right? And then basically that's what will happen. And then on top of that, we can do an additional services where we can add for some fee, like we can write some blogs, so that people on topic of like autoglass repair, something something, and then people, when they're searching for questions like what do I do for my autoglass repair, so people will come to your website organically, right? So but it takes time. This is not that easy, because internet's been around for a long time, but it's better to have that than not. It's not a big investment. And over time, if you continue the business year on year, it'll slowly add up. One customer here, two customers there, three customers there, your website cost is already paid. So it's not a big, nothing to think about so much. I would say go ahead and let me know if you're ready. We can start the first website right away, and maybe we can get it ready in a day or two, and you should be good to go then. Okay, thank you.